Hi, everyone. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to code on your smartphone when outdoor. By the way, if you're new on this channel, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon, like the video and share with others. So without wasting your time, let's proceed. In this tutorial we'll be using an Android. Open Google Play Store. Tap on the search box at the top. Type Acode, or click on the link in the video description, install it. Open the installed app. Allow to access photos, media, and files. Read the info and tap on OK. Tap on the navicon at the top left corner. Tap on Open Folder. This leads you to your storage. Select internal or SD card storage you prefer. Browse through folders you want to select, or create new project folder. But I want to create new project. So tap on the plus icon at the top right side of the title bar. Choose between the options, but I prefer new project. In this new project there are already built-in languages: Angular, AngularJS, HTML, React, and Vue. I prefer to develop web with HTML. Type in project name and tap on OK. Locate the project folder and open it. At this point you see that HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are generated. Now tap on Select Folder at the bottom to initialize. Tap on the folder to select the files you want to use. So now, let's customize the editor. Tap on ellipse V at the right top corner of the title bar. Here are a couple of options: New File, Save As, Save, and you can also share your code on GitHub or upload using FTP. Select Settings, Editor Settings. Tap on Auto Save, change the time to 1000 milliseconds. Tap on Font Size, change it to 16 pixel. That's what I prefer. There are a lot of options here you can change. Now let's go back to see the customization we have done. Wow, it looks great. Let's change the theme of the editor. Navigate to Settings and select Theme. Here two tabs, App, and Editor. The App tab has a couple of themes that are available for paid users. Don't panic, the Editor tab also has a couple of free themes. Browse through them and select your choice. I prefer to use Monakai. What good I like about this application is that, if one of the free themes is selected, it preview at the bottom. Now let's try a little bit of code. After you finish, tap on the preview icon at the top. Select Browser to preview in your web browser. Wow, we made it. Now I hope you don't need to worry when outdoor, cause you can code anytime, anywhere in your smartphone. I do recommend you to use portable smartphone keyboard for easy and fast typing. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share with friends. See you next time. Peace.